Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Range Rover Classic, and this is from their Card Art Premium series, and this is from the Speed Graphics series. This is a number 2 out of 5, and I bought this for 299, which is the MRP. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. Okay, here it is. So out of the box, the casting looks really nice, and I mean, as usual, you can see some paint job issues here. And it has headlight detailing, which is really nice, and tail light details as well. That is also nice. So, which means if we want both headlight and tail light details, then we need to pay 300 rupees. Honestly, which is the worst thing which I know saw for a children toy. Okay, so the rims looks really nice. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, there is some plastic buildup here. Okay. So here it is. So it says Hot Wheels on every side. Okay, the body is fully made of metal and the chassis is fully plastic. And you can see the interior details as well, which is really nice. So the livery here, the Castrol livery, which is really nice. I don't see much of a issue, which is good for a change. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. It does roll really well. Along with that sound you can see. I never heard this particular sound. Okay, the wheels wobble a little bit, but not that much. Maybe I think some one of the wheel is rubbing onto other end, I guess. I'm not sure why it is making that sound. I think it is getting rubbed with the corner of this track. That's the reason we are getting that noise. The wheels, now I can see the rear wheel wobble a lot. That's why it is the entire body is doing this pitch and roll thing. But overall it rolls really well, especially if you're keeping the track in an inclined angle. So you can play with it really well. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.